What in the world? Palo Alto? Okay, I see you. Alrighty, we're going to get into it. We're going to check out Palo Alto PANW. Okay, PANW. This is the, here we go. Hold on, let me just get my marker. Here we are over here. Let me turn that to green. Here we are going in a nice outperforming 10 kind of thing situation. 43% up for the year. In this video, we're going to look at the stock chart, of course. And we're going to say like, hey, what's going on here? Because there's a lot of stuff going on there. So let's just look into this a little bit. I wanted to show you this for everybody who doesn't know. Okay, it's based here in California. See right here, based in California. My marker is messing up. Hold on. All right, let's see if I can get this marker to work better. Okay, based in California, founded 2005, software company. This is the CEO right here. So we're just going to look to see what is going on with the company now, because it looks like a 10 right here as it's saying 43%, but you know, let's see. Let's see. 37 analysts, what are they saying? Strong buy. Strong buy. That's what they're saying. So 30 of them are saying buy, 7 are saying hold. Okay, see the situation over here where they're forecasting where it should go and everything like this. This is the high forecasting, the $385. We will see. Let's look at the chart. Alrighty, PANW here in the chart. This is the daily time frame, left top corner. Boop, boop. You see it right there. Now, let me tell you, there's a couple of things going on in this chart. I was like, wait, what? Okay, I was like, alrighty, what's going on here? Like, what's going on? Let's draw some trend lines, because if I don't, you'll be like, wait, where are we? And who shot John? And all of that. All of that. Hold on. Let's move it down. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. All right. Because in order for you to see this, alrighty, here we go. Let's start drawing. See this line coming from like here? All right. All right. That's one. That's one. Why am I saying? So this is a sort of, this is a support, right? See, we touched down here. Stock reacted to this price point here. Here. Kind of almost touched here, right? See? Kind of almost, but it bounced off to 200. But it definitely here. We got 3 touches. 1, 2, always one, at least 3 or more. So this is a kind of support. So you see that there. You see right now we're trading at $306, right? Okay. But we dropped pre-market. This is before the market opened. Market's about to open in 1 minute. Okay. This is May 30th. So just to let you know, the price is gonna move once the market opens. So we're up here. We're right at the 20-day moving average. This is the 50-day moving average, and this is the 200. So green, purple, orange, okay, or gold. Okay, we want to stay above it. So that's one of the trend lines I wanted to draw. But then you're like, well, what else is happening, Miss Moneymaker? Isn't that okay? Isn't that enough? Well, no, but then we have something else. Yes, and I don't know if you see this part, because I see it. Do you see what I see? Right? Let's go like this. Doot, 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 doot. Okay. So even though it looked like we're just going up, hey, see this? See this? Are we bouncing our head? Boop, 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 on that ceiling right there. Well, why do you say that? Because then I also see this. I know it's a lot of lines, and I know it gets confusing for some people. And I can't apologize for that, because this is just how life is. You know, it's just how life is. I have to endure with it too. It's like, this is how it goes, okay? What can I say? All right. So now, so this is the other part, what I'm saying. Are we, even though we had, like I showed you, this going this way, okay, support this way. But then also, we have a little bit of this also going on. See? Who saw that coming? Who saw that coming? This is why we look at the charts. This is why we look at the charts. What the heck? All right? What the heck? So, are we about to do that? Are we about to do that? Because see, we did it before. We bounced our head off this resistance area. People sold. It fell down. We caught a support here. Then we definitely caught a support here. All right. But then we hit our head again. Okay. On the ceiling. If this was a house, that would be the ceiling of the house. And so will this, okay, market open. See that red dot right there? See that little red dot? We fell before the 20-day moving average. All right. Are we going to fall to this one? Or like, are we going to catch another support? We'll see. But my point is, in this video, I just wanted to make sure you knew that, hey, are we going to do that? Will we drop to around here? All right. Hold on. Let me move my marker. I just extended the chart so you can see it. Will we drop to this purple line? Because this is the price here, 290. Or will we go down here, 280? So I just wanted to make sure you saw all of these different prices. I know that looked crazy, but I needed the prices to expand for you, okay? So now, for me, what if I was buying some more of this in this area, okay? In this area, I would like to pick up, okay? So anything around this area, 270, 280, 285, around that area, this would be a nice buy zone for me, okay? And I'm saying the area because see how sometimes you go a little bit under it, and then sometimes it doesn't even hit down to this blue line. So it's like a zone, people. It's like a zone in this area, right? That would be good. So now, that would be a great support area to buy, okay? Around here, I'm not telling you to buy. But now, will we go up? We need to break through this ceiling here. You got to break out of this. You got to break out of this, okay? So you need to rise above that level. So it needs to do whatever. If it's going to dip down or whatever, say it does whatever, but it has to break above this blue line. So, and then this line too. There's another resistance. Yes, I know. It's not my fault. I don't make this happen. This is just how it is. This is life. This is how it is, right? Can't apologize. We just got to buckle up, buttercup, and we got to deal with it. Okay, see this area here? And you see this area here? So that's like a little resistance too, right? That price level is $316. But when I go up a little higher because of this level here, right? Then that's like 323. So you could have a problem, okay, at this price level. See over there? Okay. Well, hold on. Wait a minute. Okay, so right around in here, we may get resistance. You got to come out of this one and you got to get above that. Both of those. You got to clear this area. People will sell here, okay? So you need, to clear and have some go off into the sunset a little bit because you're going to catch a problem here. Also, there's a couple of problems. So there's a lot of resistance. We'll keep looking at the charts as time moves on. But in general, are people feeling good about this? Yeah, they are. Because right here at this area here, we're going up. Okay, we're going up. Some people, let me take out some of these lines. Some people are going to just see it like this, and they're going to say, "Oh, wow, look." For everybody who stuck around to this time in the video, this is for you. They're going to say, "Oh, wow." Okay, hold on. Let me just draw the other one. It's going up in the channel. Like they may just see something like this, right? So they'll go, "Oh yeah, we're going up in the channel here." See, boop, 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 boop. It's riding up here. Now we just dropped out of it when the market opened. But some people don't know that, right? All right. And then they may go, "Oh yeah, we can keep going," and boop, boop, boop. So that's another concept. So anyway, people are feeling good about it. How do I know? Because also they're saying it here. Look at this technical. This is from, Trading View. They're saying this part here. Traders and investors may interpret this as a positive signal. See, because the stock is experiencing an upward momentum, potentially attracting buying interest. You just got to understand, though, that it's a little, this chart is a little like some stuff going on there. It's some stuff. Okay, we're still dropping. As the market is open, we're still dropping. I hope we catch the support. Maybe we'll catch the support here, but hopefully here at this price levels around here, okay, above like 295. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that real quick. I say real quick, it's been 9 minutes, okay? Remember, be careful out there. Be careful out there. I'll see you in the next video.